I'm Kim Wisneski. I am an internship coordinator in Aurora Public Schools located here at Pickens Technical College. I first heard about the District Credit Union Bite of Reality program through Mandy and actually a former student of mine who works at the credit union. They asked if they could come in and present the program and do the Bite of Reality simulation with my students. Now we do it every semester because it's so enjoyable for the students and meaningful. I think what stood out most to me about the Bite of Reality simulation is how much students really don't understand the cost. They're so used to having things provided for them, and so it's a great opening for them to really see reality. I just heard on the radio recently that this is one of the top 10 things that most people would say they wish they had learned about in high school is financial literacy, budgeting, credit. This is an opportunity to at least scratch the surface and give students a little bit of that. It will re-energize your class. It's not a sit and get type of program. The students are up and about and active and interacting with each other. I would definitely recommend that you take the time to offer this to your students.